The brand new binary options auto trader was actually launched a couple of days ago, and this is the first video where I'm gonna actually share my results. But one thing I can tell you up front, the BLW auto trader for binary options is killing it. Hey everyone, Christian here on YouTube. Welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today, I'm going to talk about the brand new binary auto trader that was actually launched a couple of days ago that is actually killing it. And I'm going to share some live results of my trading account so that you can actually see exactly how it's going. But more importantly, during this video, I'm actually going to give you a full tutorial as to how to set it up so that you can actually start using it after watching this video. But hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification of every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's begin. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is actually to talk about what is this app that I'm actually talking about. And this app is actually this website that you're looking at right here is blwbinaryhack.com. You guys will be able to find the link in the description of this video. But more importantly, what this application is an application that I basically created from zero in order to make it a fully automated trading system. Look, it's been years since a good auto trader has actually been launched. There's a couple of them out there, but they don't actually work outside of their actual broker. So finding an actual auto trader that you can use with any broker or with different brokers, and that you can actually trust that the robot itself is actually working on a good way, it's quite difficult nowadays. So basically what I did is that I created an MT4 custom indicator that can actually turn into an auto trader. So that's basically what it is. You will be able to find a lot more information right here in this website. I'm gonna have the link to it in the description of this video for you to check it out. But basically what it is this specific MT4 indicator right here that sends alerts about when you're supposed to enter a trade. But when you actually turn it into an automated trading system, you don't actually have to enter the trade yourself, but the system will do it for you. Okay, now again, like I said, you will find a little bit more information inside of this website, but let me just go ahead and be a little bit more detailed during this video. The application itself, I created it for MT4. So it's a plugin that you're supposed to install into your MT4, and then when it's installed, it will actually look for certain entries based on an algorithm that I created with a strategy following a criterion stuff. And then it's actually going to send you an alert and an arrow like this one telling you, hey, you're supposed to buy right here, or call for 1 minute, or sell for 1 minute, or put. And yeah, it's a 1 minute application that is basically the way I created it. Okay, now how does it work? Look, it's actually quite simple. So once you're actually logged in, you need to click on these 3 lines that you see right here. You click on them and you're gonna see the download page, only if you of course already purchased it, right? So if you click on the download page, you're actually gonna be taken to this little website right here that says congratulations. Now you can download your BLW binary hack and start trading automatically. First, fill out the form below in order to get your app activated. It will take us within 24 hours for us to activate your license. Please check your email and spam folder for an email confirmation. If you fill out the form on Friday, this is super important, we might reply on Monday morning. Okay, because obviously my team doesn't work during weekends. So you need to fill out this form. The receipt number is actually an email that you will receive from Hotmart, and it says HP or something. It's got like a confirmation. You just need to enter it right here, and my team will actually look it up and pretty much, activate your account. So once you actually click on the download button, it will automatically download your, it's going to be a zip file where there's going to be the indicator and it's called DLL file that you will be able to find. So it's actually going to appear like this. And the first thing that you got to do is copy the actual indicator. You're going to go into your broker. You're going to click on file right here at the top, and then you open data folder. When you open data folder, you got to go to MQL4 and then go to indicators and click on the paste button right here. and it's gonna be pasted right here. Second thing that you gotta do, you gotta go back right here and you're gonna go again into your file, into your zip file that you just downloaded. You're gonna copy the DLL file and you're gonna go to libraries right here and you're gonna paste it right there. So once you actually do that, you can close all of this. It doesn't matter anymore. You just need to, in the indicator section, you just need to refresh it and it's going to appear right here, BLW binary hack. So once you actually do that, you can just go ahead and open a new pair or a new asset, whatever. This is what I normally do with my pairs, but you can do whatever you want to. And you can just drag the BLW binary hack into the MT4 platform right here and hit OK. One thing, the allow DLL imports has to be activated. That's all. Once you actually do that, when you just purchase it, you're gonna need a license right here, right? Remember the code that I told you that you need to send for activation? You just enter it right here and click on the validate. If you enter the wrong one and you validate it, it's gonna give you an error. All right. If by any chance we haven't activated it because it's less than 24 hours, then unfortunately you just need to wait. But you can trust that my team will actually take less than 24 hours for us to activate it. Okay. So once you actually do that, it's actually going to appear like this. Simple, right? So it's actually going to show the arrows and everything that you need. Okay. So once you actually do that, what's the next step? Look, I'm going to share with you right here, like how to make it automated. But before I actually do that, I wanted to share with you my actual results of today's session. Okay. So my today's session is this one right here, as you can see. And I was able to, by the way, I opened an IQ option account and deposited $100 in order to trade real money into this specific with the AutoTrader because I can use pocket option. And so I deposited $100 and we're going to see how long it takes me to take it, I don't know, to $500 to $1,000. It's going to be a fun ride. And this is going to be fully automated. So basically this is the session that I had. I made two mistakes during this session. Number one, I had a couple of pairs, this one NZD USD that had a 30% payout. And it opened two positions. So I won them both, but when I lost one, I lost $2 and I made only $1.20 because of the 60% profits, right? I'm trading with $2, by the way. So when I switched the pairs and I chose only the ones with good payouts, these are the results. I lost one and then I won two. I lost and the one I won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 wins, 2 losses. 9 wins, 2 losses is what I was able to have in my automated system. So out of 11, that's an 81% win rate in this specific session. That's actually quite impressive and super profitable, especially because I'm trading with a small account. Obviously you can see like big numbers, but trust me, this balance is actually going to become a lot higher within the next few days. But I wanted to share these results with you. Once you actually had the indicator inside of MT4, you actually need to download this specific plugin or this specific software, MT2 Trading. Now, I want to say up front, I don't own MT2 Trading. MT2 Trading is a company that's been in the market for like, I don't know, for like 10 years or something like that. I don't remember. I know him for a lifetime. And basically what they do is that you can actually make any custom indicator into an automated trading system. So this indicator, for instance, once it sends the alert, instead of you going into your broker and placing the trade, this automated thing is actually going to put it for you into your broker. So it actually saves you a lot of time and it makes it fully automated. Okay, now I'm gonna have the link to this MT2 platform below in the description of this video for you to download it and install it. But there's one little downside that I see on this specific system is that it only works with a limited amount of brokers. And these brokers are actually IQ option, expert option. Then they have a few other of them, but honestly, I don't use them much and I don't even know those brokers, to be honest with you. So I decided to go with IQ option in this case. I can also go with expert option, but I'm not sure if I'm going to. But you can use any of these brokers. I'm not affiliated with any of them, but you already know that I have a story with IQ option, but that doesn't mean they don't pay off. They actually pay their withdrawals. It's just that we have a way different opinion as to how to help customers out there. But in the end, that's a long story. But you can actually use IQ option or expert option option is really up to you. That's the only downside. So if by any chance you're in a country where IQ option or expert option is not allowed, you won't be able to use this automated system, but you will be able to trade manually, all right? But bottom line, once you actually are ready to download your MT2, all you gotta do is actually go into the, you can try it for free, for instance, click right here, and it's actually gonna take you to a downloadable site where you can download different plugins. These are all plugins for MT4 and MT5, but since this works for MT4, you need to download only this one right here, this one. Auto connector. You download it and it's actually gonna take you right here. This little plugin right here that you see, they do have it for Mac, as you can see, but this little plugin right here, you just need to copy it. Again, you go into your broker, you open a data folder, and then you go to MQ4 and you go to indicators and you just paste it in. I already have it there. That's the reason why it's not gonna allow me to, but that's all you had to do. I actually have it somewhere here. There you go. Here it is. Once you actually do that, this is what's going to happen. So if I actually go and open a brand new pair, right? And I actually gonna add, I have it with a different name, by the way. Let's say I want to add the BLW AI tool just for example purposes, right? So I hit OK. This, and I go into 1 minute candlesticks, right? These are all of the trades that this indicator actually sent. This MT2 and this app is to make it automated on the BLW binary hack, not the BLW AI tool. Okay, this is just an example. So you drag the MT2 trading automated here, you just hit OK, and it's actually gonna pop up this. So in this drop down menu, you can choose what indicator is on your MT4 at that specific moment. So you select it, right? In your case, it's actually gonna show BLW binary hack. Here, you're gonna select what's the amount that you want to trade into your broker. Let's say you have a $300 account, you want to trade with $5. You just type in 5. That's it. You type in whatever account, whatever amount you want to choose. Here is super important. You're going to change the expiration time to 1 minute. You just type in 1. It's going to select 1 minute. Open in a new bar and no martingale. Once that's ready, you can click on the play button. And you have to have your MT2 trading platform connected into your broker. This should be on. I'm not going to turn it on because I'm not going to trade right now. It should be on, and this on play, and that's it. When you want to stop it from MT4, you click on the pause button. And if you actually want to pause it from here, like I did, you just click on this little button and it's going to turn it off. As simple as that. Once you do all of these steps, it's going to start placing trades for you, fully automated, the way it actually happened right here. Now, this could be a good question like, Chris, how much can I make if you use this AutoTrader? Look, number one thing that you got to understand is that I'm not suggesting that you put a lot of money in and that you're just going to become rich out of nowhere. If you notice my results today, I was able to make around 8% balance increase. And yesterday I was able to make like 3% balance increase. I didn't trade much, but overall out of $100 into my account, I have $12 in profit, which is actually a 12% balance increase. I would suggest that you stick to like 5 to 10% balance increase on a daily basis and then stop it. There are going to be days when you're going to actually lose some trades. So stop it after 2 losses, for instance. It's really up to you. But if you stick to the 5 to 10%, at least you're going to make that 3 out of 4 days in a week. And that's like a 30-40%, well, depending on how aggressive you are. Let's say it's a 20% balance increase every single week. That means that you can double up your account within 5 weeks. And that basically gives you a lot more trading amount that you can put it into your broker. So that's actually going to lead to doubling up your account every month and a week, pretty much. So in like around 3 months, you're going to have like 3x your account. If you started with 100, now you're at 300, and then it's going to be 600, and then it's going to be 1,000. So you need to scale up your account. That's super important. And don't expect to double up your account every single day, because you might just overtrade and lose your money. Keep an eye on your AutoTrader and 5 to 10% a day. I think it will make it work. And another question that I know is going to come along is, Chris, is IQ Option a good broker, or can I trust it, or what broker should I use? Like I said, I had my issues with IQ Option in the past, and I'm not going to defend them or anything like that, but that doesn't mean they don't actually pay. they do have withdrawals, and they have hundreds of thousands of traders making withdrawals on a monthly basis, and all of them, or at least if they comply with the KYZ and stuff, they actually get their money. So it is indeed a broker that can actually pay you off. But there's also expert option that I actually know as well that they do pay off. So those two brokers, you can actually use them. Obviously, you're not gonna get your savings account and put all of your money inside of a broker, right? So you're just gonna put whatever amount that you're allowed, that you're willing to lose, such as 100, 1,000, 10,000. You get to choose that amount. And once you actually do that, all you have to do is just double it, withdraw the half of it, and play with the house's money. So I believe that any of these brokers can actually make you, money. And the last question is, how much should you invest? Again, I just mentioned it like 30 seconds ago, but I'm gonna say it again. Just invest whatever you can afford to lose. But keep in mind that Be a Little Bit Binary Hack is a one-time charge, $79.99, and that's it. But MT2 trading has a fee. So if you actually want to recover that investment that you made, you just need to do the math. So if you invest $30 a month because you get the monthly payment, whatever, then basically you will need to, make at least more than $30 every single month. That's number one. If you get the 6 month, then it's gonna be less. And if you get the 1 year for $150, you have a whole year to make $250 or more, and you're gonna recover all of that investment. So you need to do the math. If you're gonna be making, let's say, $10 a day, that makes like around $200 a month. You recovered everything, right? But if you're gonna deposit $50, then it's gonna take you a little bit longer to actually recover that investment. But that doesn't mean it's not gonna worth it. All you gotta do is do the math. In my opinion, I would go with at least $100 in order to, make my investment worth it. But it's really up to you. If you can deposit a little bit more, go ahead and do so. But do the math, 5 to 10% on a daily basis. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video. And if you did, go ahead and smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. But more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always use the comment section below, and my team will be happy to reply to you, or I will be able to, reply to you within the next few days on the comment section. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.